Hello everyone, I'm back again. So today I'm going to discuss about the next topic related to your writing skill. But before that, I just want to tell about the scholar's thought. Voltaire once said, "Writing is the painting of the voice." I just mean to say that communication. Writing is also the forms of communication through that allows us to put our ideas, feelings in front of others through writing on the paper. So today I am going to discuss about the another part of writing skill, that is diary entry. As usual student, diary entry is such kind of forms through which if ever that kind of feelings we don't want to share with our parents, our elder brother and sisters or our friends also, then some of the persons also live in this world, those who have the habit to write each and every incident which occur during the day with them in the form of letters, in the form of words, in the form of a story into a diary. So that is known as a diary, which the whole day's incident occur with anybody else, and when he or she writes such kind of the occurrence during the day into the form of words or into the form of sentences into a diary and recording into a diary, that is known as diary entry. So today I am going to discuss about the important points which the things you have to take care whenever you start to write a diary entry. You have to follow such kind of instructions or such kind of important points. So as usual, I am going to start to tell you. First of all, begin the diary entry with a general sentence describing the day. Use first person narrative. So student, in this instruction, the most important thing which you have to take care if you want to write any kind of diary, or if ever that is in your syllabus about the draft diary entry, then you have to start with the first person narrative. Explanation should be written in first person, and you have to start with the general sentence describing the day. Second, in the main body, discuss the important events and feelings towards that. Use informal tone. Whenever you start to write any kind of incident which occurred during the daytime with you or your friend or anybody else, then you have to use informal tone. That should not be written in formal tone. Another one thing, conclude with final remark and future course of action. It means that you have to find out the conclusion within the final remark, and also the future course of action should be there. I just want to say that now, which the important points I recently told you. Now after this, right now, I just want to draw the format in which manner all these instructions you have to follow. So students, you the guys, the people, always keep remember, you have to take care with the most important thing you have to include in your writing process. Student, recently in your last videos I told you about the story writing, but some of the students, they are doing the same mistakes. They are not taking care about their word, formation of sentences, words, accent, syllable, whatever, and even they include the wrong spellings at the time of written form. So please take care, write short but write in a properly. So now I am going to tell you, whenever you will write down the diary, in which form the format will be. First of all, you have to prepare the format. Format will be evaluated. Your format will be evaluated, and according to the CBSE norms, you will get half to 1 marks. So take care about the format, which the thing you have to include. First of all, date. The format of diary entry will be in this manner. You have to, at the left corner of the sheet or the paper, you have to write date, and another one thing, time. 3 things will be there, and after that, here it will be the beginning. Your beginning should be in a journal sentences. Your beginning should be in a journal sentences like this, And another one thing, after beginning there will be a main body of the diary entry in the same manner also, like this. In this way the format will be get ready, and you have to write in this manner by following all these steps in the forms of your own composition for which the thing you just want to write. And at last you can also write down good night diary, and at last there will be whatever XYZ, yours friend, whatever you want to write. But just want to tell you, the guys, the people always keep remember, in your 10th form, in your 10th form, there is also a lesson related to Anne Frank. So the diary of Anne Frank is also a novel in which Anne Frank, when she doesn't want to share her feelings with anybody else, then when she got a diary in the form of gift on her 13th birthday, and when she found out that such kind of the incidents which occur with her, she doesn't share with anybody else, so she starts to write a diary. So in the form of diary, it means we can, if we are not able to share any kind of feelings with anybody else, then at that moment we also can start to write our feelings or ideas in the form of diary. So the format will be in this manner. That should be not more than 100 or 120 words. Now as usual in mother language. स्टूडेंट्स, जो मैंने आपको ये सारी बात बताई है बच्चे, वो आज आपको मैंने डायरी एंट्री के बारे में बताई है। आपका जो राइटिंग स्किल के अंदर पार्ट आता है डायरी एंट्री, उसकी जो शुरुआत है वो सबसे पहले आप डे लिखेंगे, फिर डेट। ये वर्ड नहीं लिखने, द सेम वर्ड यू विल नॉट इंक्लूड इन योर राइटिंग वर्क। आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट द फॉर्मेट which the thing you have to include, but you have to write in a proper manner. Day, date, then time. You have to start beginning, and after beginning on which the theme you got the question in the form of diary entry, you have to write about the main body. Then you have to find out the conclusion of that diary entry. At last, good night diary, and the last format you have to write whatever you want to write, XYZ, another one thing, which the thing you just want to write as usual. So now this is all about the diary entry. In your next PDF, I'll send you some of the 2 or 3 or 4 questions, at least 4 questions, which will be related to diary entry. You have to study the solved diary entries which is in your help book. Then try your level best to write down the diary entry in your fair notebooks, which I will send you in your next videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. God bless you.